Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something very cool. I love this fella, and I'm gonna check it out. What you can check out is fablades.com, see if we still get these boys in stock, and if you like it, just get one, because they're not gonna last, because this is a limited edition. I believe there's 399 of these made, so yeah, once they're gone, they are gonna be gone for sure. This guy comes with the classic stickers, a little bit of spare part, the tool for taking these beauty apart, and you get to see, of course, classic Lautie box, and you get to see this amazing one, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Beauty. This is the Tungsten mini dealer, guys. It's a chunker. This is the heaviest mini dealer of them all. This is crazy. All right, look at this. This is gonna be 176 almost grams, which means 6.2 ounces. It's crazy. It's amazing. I love it. This guy has a fantastic torque when you just spin it. It's so good, and obviously is doing this extremely cool spinning, standing, gyroscopic action because of the inertia, like the momentum that it has. It's so cool. It's amazing. Anyways, this is one of my favorite spinner. I'm not really a spinner guy, but this is high up there because of the design. It's so cool. I really love everything about the mini dealer. It's just so great. There's a bunch of material: copper, brass, zirconium, titanium, some different finishes for these, and I mean, this is just crazy. It's there's a button right over here where you can disassemble, and you can check the serial number on the inside, and it just opens up. It's very simple construction. You have a retainer here for the bearing, and the button here. It's pretty cool indeed. I believe that's copper, might be, or brass, I don't know. Anyways, you get Don't Play with the Devil, you get the balls, inlaid stainless steel bearings around. You get, I mean, it's a classic mini dealer, but the weight on this fella is substantial. In your hand, it's gonna feel very good because it's heavy. So that's something probably you don't want to put this in the pocket because it's like so heavy. Maybe you want the titanium version, but as a desktop or desk toy, this thing is spinning forever. So you just leave it on the desk as you work, you let it spin and just do your work and type whatever. And this guy's gonna keep you company, producing this amazing white noise that's just gonna be relaxing you. If you have ADD, ADHD, these things are like keeping you more focused, I noticed, and many people, they told me that. So I'm not just making this up, guys, but some fidget toys are capable of helping some people with some attention deficit issues, let's say, to be more focused, because they can be fidgeting with this, and at the same time they can focus themselves into another task. So pretty interesting fact about this little guys. Very expensive, of course. It's a limited edition. It's tungsten. It's gonna be hard to get. I need to say a big thank you to my buddy for lending me this fella, because he got one, and he's a super nice dude that is willing to share this toy with me, so I'm able to share my impressions with you, because I just love this fella. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.